Even art and creativity are not left alone in the realm of artificial intelligence and other technologies that are overpowering every aspect of human life. But what if this AI interference is an enthralling experience, helping you curate mind-boggling, unique, and astounding AI images? And here is yet another AI image generator, Midjourney. Is it just another AI or an immersive experience? Hop on to embark on the journey of Midjourney. Midjourney V5 is a very powerful imaging tool. It was part of an early wave of AI-powered, non-code imaging models. It gained an impressive following very quickly thanks to its expressive style and its release before DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. It is a lot similar to OpenAI's DALL-E 2 and Stable Diffusion's Dream Studio, which uses tons of images found on the internet to generate stunning images based on the text prompt provided. How is it of any use to you? If you want to create really cool pictures and videos by instilling creativity and wit into any realm, here's a magnificent AI tool you can work with. Got any idea, guys? It's the most advanced generative AI art. Cool, right? Let's embark on the journey of creating seamless artistic patterns with Midjourney. It will analyze the content and recommend keywords, phrases, or topics to improve your search engine ranking. Midjourney V5 can also generate content ideas based on your topic and audience, making it easier for you to come up with creative and unique content. Wondering how is it creative? Well, the prompts that help in creating images are, in actuality, the creative side of your brain working. So human input and imagination are still needed. But despite all of its shortfalls, Midjourney has drastically pushed the limits of AI art generators, releasing frequent updates with new skills, techniques, and advancements in its training database. Let's keep it simple, okay? So Midjourney AI is an incredibly exciting experience. It is as simple as that. It helps in crafting creative, yet specific and customized images using prompts. Seamless patterns have always been popular in the print-on-demand industry, as they can be used to create and sell a wide range of products. So to create stunning images, we need to create prompts which are meeting the demands of the required image. Here are some techniques on how to creatively use prompts. Be descriptive. The more descriptive you are in your text, the more vibrant and unique the output will be. You can generate variations in images and some of the advanced settings. For example, by providing keywords. Blend it up. Use multiple styles or techniques to create unique and eclectic artwork. Don't bottle it up. Convey the bundled up emotions in your mind to give a personalized effect to your image. Speak in positives. Language models often ignore negative words, so it's best to speak in positives. Be specific about your requirement in your prompt to invoke a unique style in your image. Aspect ratios can also have a significant impact on the result. For example, portraits on images with ratios that have room to fit more than one face have a tendency to develop unwanted extra faces or facial features. Try to emulate the image plus text prompt, for it is a decent way of ensuring that some key elements of the image prompt transfer to the generated image. Consider rephrasing by using alternative names if you want a specific aesthetic style, when Midjourney's AI bot doesn't seem to understand what you were saying in your prompt. In some cases, the use of a correct artist name won't be enough to make this work, but using their nickname or reference to styles they're known for is more effective. Well, there isn't any need to delve more into the technical part of how the AI creates images, but it is a prerequisite to understand the basics of working. As you all know, Midjourney, like any other AI bot, works by using prompts. Now, what are they? A prompt is a phrase from which the Midjourney bot will interpret to create an image. The majority of AI image generators with public source code generate these images through a process known as diffusion. Essentially, these models work by adding noise to an image, reducing it to a pixelated mess. It breaks down the words and phrases in a prompt into smaller pieces, called tokens, which are then compared to its training data and then used to generate an image. Therefore, one can say that crafting a well-thought-out prompt can help in creating unique and exciting images. Prompts can be an image, a text, or any other parameters. Artificial intelligence tools and platforms such as Midjourney or ChatGPT can be difficult to use owing to the high number of variables that must be considered. There's always more difficulty landing at one of the processes of ways. And trust me, most of us get caught up by the intimidating complexity. It is remarkable that Midjourney can interpret emojis of plants, animals, or objects so well. An awesome and often unexpected image can be created by combining multiple emojis in a variety of ways. It would be hilarious to even make out a cute alien face using a symmetrical flat icon design. We're going to take a look at the 5 great AI art hacks that you can try with Midjourney V5. Hack number 1. Use different types of beauty. Try out different types of beauty: visual, emotional, and intellectual. By using these different types of beauty in your art, you can create captivating and engaging content. Hack number 2. Explore different styles of punk and create unique and captivating digital art. Punk is a subculture that evolved around the 1970s. It has different styles such as steampunk, nanopunk, diesel punk, and gothic punk. Hack number 3. Take advantage of different prompts. An example of the prompts which may be used for creating great art is breathtaking visual beauty and emotional beauty. Another art style that can be used to your advantage is intellectual beauty. You can create amazing art which has both beauty and meaning by applying these prompts and styles. Hack number 4. Use training material for emotional expressions. Use emotional expressions. You can evoke emotions in your audience and create a deeper connection with them. Hack number 5. Keep track of SEO tricks with a spreadsheet. For a more immersive and lively experience with Midjourney, consider the following and make it a more fun-filled venture. Use the latest version of Midjourney to get incredible upgrades on the stylistic tools. Upload any image to Midjourney and enhance it. Command AI to craft prompts from your image. Use commands to create imaginative and unique images. Some of the cheat codes used are /imagine, which helps in creating an image with the help of prompts entered. /relax increases the time to accomplish your task. /private, paid prompt that helps in keeping your job hidden from the public. And there are many more. Now you understand how Midjourney can make everything look so cool. It is always coming up with these really crazy prompts every month, and it is a must try. If not all of them, at least the funniest ones. You know what is new? The prompts can be easily understood by the new Midjourney 5.1. It can decode even concise and descriptive images. What are the other features, or what sets it apart? Wider stylistic range. A much wider range of stylistic options can be readily prompted for desired changes. Higher resolution. Incredible improvements in image quality with a whopping 2 times increase in resolution and dynamic range. Let us also make an analysis of its features. Its latest feature is known as Pan, which allows a user to click a set of arrow buttons to extend their image in any direction. There is another feature known as Remix, which will change the prompt each time you extend the image outwards. Midjourney will offer Turbo Mode, creating images at 4 times the speed. Repeat and permutations allow any user that is able to create up to 64 images simultaneously and ask for up to 40 combinations of prompts in a single query. And the new version V5 offers higher image quality and more diverse outputs, wider stylistic range, support for seamless textures, wider aspect ratios, better image promoting, and dynamic range. The world of digital art has been revolutionized by AI artists who have access to an array of creative tools and techniques that can help them bring their ideas to life, thanks to AI-powered programs like Midjourney V5. Feel so rejuvenated to try it out? Then sign up and make use of all the tools out there. Creating and selling wonderful, smooth patterns with Midjourney has never been so easy. You can make art that engages your audience and leads them to your website by looking at various styles of punk, making use of different styles of beauty, getting some inspiration from other prompts, training material on emotional expressions, and tracking the SEO trick in a spreadsheet. So if you want to see the magic of Midjourney V5 unfold in front of your eyes, try these amazing AI art tricks. Give it a shot, guys. It's really fun to experiment with. Hope this was an interesting video, and do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, goodbye.